Today, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste text in Gmail quickly and easily. This is one of the most useful basic skills when you're writing emails, replying to messages, or moving text from one part of your draft to another. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, the process is simple once you know the right shortcuts. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you straight to Gmail, where you can access your inbox and start a new email or reply to an existing one. Once you're signed in, click Compose if you want to write a new message, or open any email and click Reply if you want to respond to someone. Now, look for the text you want to copy. This could be something you already typed in the email, text from a draft, or even a section you want to move to another part of the message. Click and drag your mouse over the text to highlight it. On a laptop, you can also use your trackpad to select the words you want. Make sure the text is highlighted before moving on, because that means Gmail has selected it correctly. After the text is highlighted, use the keyboard shortcut to copy it. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and C at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command and C. This saves the selected text to your clipboard without deleting it from the email. You can think of it as storing the text temporarily so you can paste it somewhere else. Next, click exactly where you want to paste the text in Gmail. This could be in the same message, in a different paragraph, or even inside a reply you're writing. Place your cursor in the correct spot so Gmail knows where to insert the copied content. Now use the paste shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and V. On Mac, press Command and V. The copied text will instantly appear in the spot where your cursor was placed. If you don't see it right away, click once more in the email body and try the shortcut again. From here, you can continue editing your message as needed. You can add more text, remove anything you don't need, format your email, or make final changes before sending. If you copied the wrong section, just highlight a different part and repeat the same steps. Once you get used to it, copy and paste becomes one of the fastest ways to work in Gmail. And that's it. You now know how to copy and paste text in Gmail using simple keyboard shortcuts. It's a small skill, but it can save you a lot of time every day. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Gmail and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.